Is the copperware mask a scam? I'll explain everything you need to know to answer that question in the next 60 seconds. People are flocking to Twitter expressing their disgust with yet another company appearing to capitalize on the pandemic. But are they really? On April 14th, 2020, this person tweeted suggesting copper-infused compression wear makers should produce copper-infused masks. The suggestion was a great one, but a little too late. A month prior, on March 17th, copperwaremask.com was registered. Soon after, the masks became available for sale. But we noticed something fishy. The commercial uses the exact same actors and some of the exact footage as seen in the Breathe Pure Masks ad. BreathePureMask.com was registered on the 23rd of March 2020. So which came first? It's hard to truly say, and doesn't really matter because they're both marketed by the same marketing company and serve a similar but different purpose. Copperware mask is a reusable mask that is infused with copper. Similar masks without copper can be purchased quite cheap. What makes this mask special is that it's infused with copper fiber. But so what? Wikipedia reports that copper has been used for ages to kill bacteria. Further research shows that copper can even kill bacteria such as E. coli. But wait, there's a catch. It takes between 1 and 2 hours of contact with copper metal to kill E. coli. So is copperware mask any better than any other non-copper infused mask? We really can't say for sure. But what we do know is that the quality will be better than most. The copperware brand name is attached to this product. They'll want to protect that reputation. I own copperware gloves and the quality is decent. You can be confident that these masks will be made out of better material and have better stitching than the run-of-the-mill reusable masks. Take note that they won't last forever and each machine wash will decrease its lifespan, so they are only reusable to a point. Also, these are masks that are not intended to protect you from viruses. If you need that level of protection, you best look elsewhere. TVStuffReviews.com has an exhaustive report on copperware masks, along with 5,000 other as seen on TV items. So, are copperware masks a scam? No, they're not a scam. They may be capitalizing on the pandemic, but they're also supplying the public with high quality masks at a time when they're difficult to find. If this video has helped you at all, please give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. So, do you think copperware masks are a scam?